Hello everybody. I'm very happy to be here, and it's about the first 100 days in our Team Bilfinger. I'm very proud, I'm very excited about being a member of that great Team Bilfinger. I was traveling around to quite a lot of our facilities and areas and departments. And what I saw, what I found, what I had contact with is with you, with very motivated, highly skilled colleagues and doing a great job towards our customers. Our speciality is our skill set and our motivation of our employees, our members of the Team Bilfinger. On top of it, our service offering. We have a very wide range where we can support customers in getting more efficient and more sustainable. This makes us the industrial service provider #1. We are all living in volatile times, not only in business, in private life too. When we look into that, crisis situations are especially situations where our clients, our customers need more support in getting more efficient and especially getting more support in being more sustainable. We as Team Bilfinger are very positively positioned for that. We have a great future with that offering. How to make that offering happen? That includes, of course, investment into innovation, diversification of our own workforce and education of our own workforce. That is the base for our future.